roll to Mountainview Harley Davidson Motorcycles. We're wrapped up with appreciation for Mountainview Harley Davidson and their support of Mission Raceway. Their passion for power, freedom of the open road is a perfect match for the energy of race day. Thanks for riding with us and backing BC's motorsport community.
First pair of motorcycles, Daryl Storzik and Bill McDonald. Wild Bill in the right lane. Wild Bill's been going down drag strips for a long, long time. Attention in the pits. Attention in the pits. Lordco Super Combo. This is your call to staging lanes. Lordco Super Combo. You can start making your way to the staging lanes. So a little hiccup on the starting line. Both lanes, actually. Bill McDonald leaving a little late, but was able to make the run. Daryl Storzik appears to have lost fire. Now regained it. We'll reset the computer and let him try again. So again, Lordco Super Combo. Lordco Super Combo. We need you to the staging lanes, please. Lordco Super Combo. Bring him down.
One rider I think going to be noticeably absent for the motorcycle category, Tom Turan, longtime runner of that category, but I think congratulations in order. He is out at his father's wedding this weekend, hence why he is not with us here this afternoon. So congratulations to the Turan family, and we'll hopefully see him back again next weekend. That's a much better launch from the Elite Pro Suzuki. Storza will take that bike out the back door with a single pass. Goes 854 at 150 miles an hour.
Couple more bikes, got the burnouts done. Rolling up to the starting line, we've got Corey Craig and Jody Brickwood. Jody Brickwood in the right lane. Corey Craig, tower side. So one red light, one green. Green light arrives at the finish line first. 862, 168 miles an hour. Jody Brickwood in the right lane. Goes 962 at 135.
There's nothing like the open road and no better way to ride it than on a Harley. At Mountainview Harley Davidson, you'll find bikes built for freedom and backed by a team that rides like you do. Sales, service, gear, and that legendary Harley attitude. Mountainview Harley Davidson. Ride free, ride local. Check out the latest lineup in Chilliwack or visit mountainviewhd.com. So Bill McDonald and Daryl Storzik, the first two up to banner the Wild Racing Kawasaki, will face off against the Leak Pro Suzuki. Attention to the pits, once again, we're asking for Super Combo down to the lanes, Super Combo to the lanes, and stand by for juniors. Stand by juniors and Super Combo back to the lanes. So with Storza going in at 8:59 and McDonald going 9:19, that'll bring up Corey Craig and Jody Brickwood, the back pairing here in motorcycles, before we'll gear up for Old Car Center Hot Rod. Whoa, Corey Craig, holy cow, look out. Getting a little bit crossed up there with the back wheel, was smoking that thing to nearly the 8th mile mark. Not sure what was going on there for Corey Craig. He does keep the bike underneath him, but a bit of a wild ride. Jody Brinkle goes 9:58 and 1:34. Craig will go 12:64. 9:10 to an 8:50. Corey Craig really has not had one pass all season long where he's really been happy with that bike. He's got a brand new rear wheel tire on that thing, and boy, it just has not gone his way. Had quite the ride on his last run where he spun the tire all the way out to almost that 8th mile mark. You can see the smoke flying out of it. Looking for more in this one. Well, this time the wheel doesn't spin at least. Trying to chase him down. And he'll get it where it counts as Corey Craig bests Bill McDonald and rolls into the final. Joining him this afternoon is going to be Daryl Storzuk or Jody Brickwood. So in the TCS lane, the League Pro Suzuki will dial in at 8:58 and will leave second to Brickwood as the Brickwood Renovations Kawasaki dials in at 9:28 in the Lordco lane. Was ready, one of them was not. I'll give you two guesses who was who. It'll be Daryl Storzuk. Moving on to the next round is Brickwood, almost half a second down on the tree. The Mountainview Harley Davidson motorcycle final. Daryl Storzuk will be running the League Pro Suzuki. Over here on the tower side. On the right side, it's the Black Lightning Hayabusa. Storzuk way out in front, and Storzuk will go in to take the win this afternoon. The League Pro Suzuki, for the first time in quite a while, is into victory lane of the titanium strip.